How to search for old tweets on Twitter. So if you want to search for old tweets on your Twitter, then first you need to open up your Twitter application. And once you've opened your Twitter application, now you can simply go for the search icon, which will be on the bottom left. And once you go for search, you need to go for the search bar, which is on the upper side. Tap on the search bar, and now you need to type from and then semicolon and @ and here you need to enter the username of the person that you would like to search for the tweets. Give a space and then type since and then the semicolon again, and then you need to enter your date. Since when do you want your tweet? So enter the date, like the first you need to enter the year and then the month and the date, and then give a space and until, and then again semicolon, and you need to write the date till you want your tweet. So enter that again by the year, the month, and the date. And once you've done that, you need to go for search. And once you've searched, here you will have all of the tweets of that person on the date. So that's it. That's how you search for old tweets on Twitter. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.